Hey everyone, I'm Oliver Kovács, a Hungarian composer. In this video, I'll present my latest work, a trailer track for a light-hearted video game. I'll cover the entire process, from the instrumentation to the chord progression and every detail. Tales of the Laser Knight is a fast-paced, top-down action-adventure game with lasers, explosions, and a laser katana. You play as Zack, a farm boy on a quest to find the ancient orbs, which are mysterious alien artifacts scattered across the galaxy. I composed the soundtrack for this video game about a year ago. Sebastian, the creator of the game, contacted me and mentioned that he had used an AI-generated track as placeholder music for his trailer. However, he wanted me to compose the final track for this specific trailer. I thought this was an interesting challenge, as I needed to create a piece that was significantly better than the AI-generated version. You've already heard my version, but now I'd like to show you the AI-generated one. The truth is, Sebastian had to cut a 2-minute AI-generated track to fit the trailer's length, so it's not a completely fair comparison, but you can still judge the musical ideas. Which one do you think is better, the AI-generated track or mine? Leave a comment below. In my opinion, AI solutions won't truly replace real composers because neural networks cannot replicate consciousness, taste, and genuine creativity. In the process I present, I have to consider several factors such as the pace of the trailer, the mood, the colors, and the events unfolding. AI can't fully grasp these elements because it lacks consciousness and doesn't understand things like humans do. My track is in E minor, basically using the harmonic minor scale, but I also incorporated chromatic notes. The tempo range is between 115 and 125 BPM, depending on the pace of the video cuts. The time signature is a simple 4/4 time. As for the musical form, there are two main themes in this piece. The opening theme is repeated twice, the first time with just chords and harps, and the second time with the main melody added for more instruments. The second theme is similar to the first one, but the main melody is more intense. The outro is very simple with only a few chords. Let's take a listen to the chord progression. You'll see the chord names on the left side above the arrow. My goal was to create a dramatic chord progression that fits the dynamic, electronic style of the track. I'd like to highlight two parts of my chord progression, a chord pair and a 3-chord section. The first part consists of a regular minor chord on the tonic, followed by a suspended second on the tonic, and a major chord built on the 5th degree. The second part involves a minor chord on the 4th degree and another minor chord on the 6th degree. The triad on the submedian is a borrowed chord, or more precisely, a modal interchange. If you are not familiar with borrowed chords, I have a video lesson on that topic. The main melody is played on a distorted lead synth with a delay effect created with Arturia pigments. The ethereal pad is also from the same synthesizer. I used X-Fur Record Serum for the distorted bass. Let's listen to the synths together and separately. In my opinion, the electronic sound I used fit perfectly with the game's style. For the drums, I used a kick, snare, 2 hi-hats and 2 percussion effects. Let's hear how the drums sound. Now let's talk about some specific requirements for creating trailer music. No, the Braam sound isn't really necessary, and it's actually a bit overused. Trailer music has to follow the pace and mood of the trailer itself. It might sound obvious, but sometimes it's tricky to achieve. In this case, the first 16 seconds serve as the intro. I incorporated fewer instruments here consciously. At the 17th second, the drums come in with a whoosh sound. The hi-hats are in a slower rhythm here, and the snare is silent. At the 29th second, I increase the tempo. The hi-hats are faster, and the snare comes in due to the spaceship shots in this scene. When the obelisk scene comes up, I slow down the tempo to 115 BPM. You can hear that from the 48th second, the drums stop and the arpeggio is silent. I used the low-pass filter several times as it's one of the most effective tools for increasing or decreasing tension. By allowing more high frequencies, you can achieve a sharper, brighter sound. On the other hand, reducing the high frequencies makes the sound more subdued and mysterious, creating a sense of anticipation or tension. Of course, the volume adjustments are more obvious as well. If you found this video lesson interesting and helpful, you can support me by hitting the like button, leaving a comment, subscribing, or even buying me a coffee. Thanks for watching.